What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Lovely Maya. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by that title, today's video will be on men's braids. I will be doing a simple style on him. So let's get straight into it. So his hair is wet right now. I'm just gonna split it into 3 sections to blow dry it out.
Still with the stars that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, ride and die. Gotta watch the sign, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG. It's all the way that I've been living up and dancing, I was trying to make it to the end, certain things we started getting tense, think we need to have a sudden adventure. I could be a member, maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn cold. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find a combination. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. As soon as I pick up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in the AMG. Right outside, PT.
When I blow dry, I try to make sure the hair is as straight as I can get it.
All the niggas around me, ride and die. Gotta watch the signs, just flying right by. 2 times, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. 2 times, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was 2 of me, or 3 of me, when it was you and me.
So first you're going to split their hair down the middle. I am using a locking gel. I go over it with the locking gel and then I go through it again with the comb to make sure the part is as crisp as it can be.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Candy City, she blowing me kisses.
As you can see, I split his hair up into 4 sections. These will be 4 braids. So I like to split my hair down in the middle so I can make sure that the braid is nice and neat. Splitting the hair down the middle first and then braiding the top part, then making your way down. This is the beginning. Again, my video did cut out, but I'm going to show you guys how I did it again. So I make a part at the top and then I split it down in the middle. I make a few sections and then I start braiding down.
That was 2017. All good, just to look around. Find one to see my type. Now my dog, he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is, I meet this girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice.
So on this side, you're just going to repeat the same steps. You want to apply the locking gel around the hair.
Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this runway.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later,
You're going to make 4 parts. And then you're going to do each braid separately. Splitting the top half first and then splitting it down in the middle, and then you make a few sections and braid down.
Look, dress hanging off your shoulder, belly sober. Telling me how you moving away and starting over. Girl, quit playing, you just drunk, you just saying shit. And oh, you dance like how, like ballet and shit. Oh, wait, no, I get it, girl, I'm with it. I've been down this road before, and yeah, I skid it, but forget it, damn. I wonder why I never learned my lesson. Just feeling like it's second chance and it's the first impression. And I heard there's nothing new except for someone new. But how you supposed to find the one with anyone who come with you? Talking to myself, but I never listen. Cause man, it's been a while. I swear that this one's different. That's why I'ma take you anywhere you wanna go. Let you meet my friends so they can lecture me again about how reckless I have been. And I'm slowly running out of all the time that I invested making all the same mistakes.
Mama too hot like what? Mama too hot like a furnace. I got 100 G's, I'ma go, y'all. My diamonds gon' shine when the lights dark. You and I take a ride down the boulevard, and your friends really wanna break us apart. Good Lord. All set, good gracious. Tearing down my diamond while I'm hopping out of spaceship. Need your information, take vacation to Malaysia. You my baby, the paparazzi flashing crazy. She swallowed the bottle while I sit back and smoke gelato. Walking my mansion, 20,000 painting Picasso. Be dipping, dabbing like a nacho. Took up a pen and diamond dancing like Rick Ricardo. She having it with the color working on the bachelor. I know you got a pass, I got a pass, it's in the back of us. Average, I'ma make $1 million on the average. I'm riding with no brain, but I'm out of it.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide, oh yeah. Whatever comes too quick.
He did want beads, so I just added a few to the bottom. So the way you apply beads, if you don't know, you just add however many you want. And once you get to the last one, you want to bring the hair up through it and around it so it can touch the second bead, if that makes sense. And then you apply rubber band around it to make sure that, you know, it's secure. And that's it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like this. It's very simple and cute. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a video. Thank you. Bye.
You had me